Welcome to DJ TV.
Make una come hear the life testimony wey one Yoruba man give wey Igbo man take help am change his life.
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome una to DJ TV, una WhatsApp channel wey dey sama una with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updated updates. So abeg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified banga. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and updates we will carry come for una like this.
Over the years, Naija ethnicity wahala no let them believe in the Igbos. They no believe say Igbos go fit govern Naija or government go fit come Igbo hand. So because of all this ethnicity battle so far, gbege don dey happen over the years. If una look back for this past general election, una go understand this whole thing. Anyway, my people, the tori wey we carry come for una this time around na about one Yoruba man from Ekiti State wey talk say one Igbo man help am change his life to the extent he even carry am enter Scotland. I no wan talk too much make I leave una to watch this video and hear this Yoruba man from Ekiti State wetin he talk about how Charlie boy take change his life. Make una watch.
Good evening, everyone. I'm gonna make it very short. Then it's gonna be loaded with a lot of messages. I don't want us to come here tonight because of my dad, and you are not going home with an important message. Yeah, it's a testimony though, but at the same time, it is an appreciation to a man who identified a talent and decided to give his best for the talent to be actualized. I used to be a Charlie boy newspaper vendor way back in year 2006. Charlie boy left Lagos and relocated to Abuja in 2006. I was hawking newspaper at the traffic light close to the villa. So whenever I was going to the villa, I used to notice a very big car, Cadillac. Like, this man going here, I need to talk to this man. Fortunately for me, there was, Nigerian media, they published a lot of confirmed news. They now said, Charlie boy is now broke. He has left Lagos and is squatting in Abuja with one of his friends. So he was looking for the newspaper. Of course, it was an old newspaper. So he called me. Come, vendor, can you get me newspaper of so date? I said yes. In the course of our interaction, he noted that I was actually talking like someone who was above a normal vendor. He now said, okay, what are you doing here? I've been noticing you around. I said, well, I am a vendor for now. I had my NCE, but unfortunately, I can't go into begging. I have done car wash for 2 weeks, and I don't have the strength. He now said, okay, God see me can help you. Hallelujah. This man sitting here, he said, God said I should help you. What can I do for you? I said, well, before I know, Abuja traffic lights now, lights don't pass, Baba don't go. So I was wondering, God, what happened? So 1 month later, he now came. He said, yeah, you used to be my friend, Abi. Okay, give me all the newspaper for today. I gave him. As at then, it used to be 810 naira for all the newspaper. He now gave me 5,000. Wow. And for your information, the man I was even selling for gives me 280 naira every day, irrespective of how much I made. So I had 5K that day. That was how the business of that day ended. He now said, okay, come to my house. On Sunday, I will be home. Come. That time, Grandpa, late Chukwudi Oguta Baba, may he rest in peace, was still alive. He said I should come to his house at Guarimpa. I got there. The policeman refused me in. I said, God, why is devil blocking this miracle? Okay. I waited there. Oh, I got to Charlie Boy's house around 11 a.m. I waited till 4 p.m. Nobody allowed me. I said, well, it's fine. Before I knew it, the gate was open. And he just took his bike and fly away. I said, well, that's fine. The policeman came and said, gentleman, respect yourself or you move. Can you go away from here? You are not even his vendor. Go. I left. 2 weeks later, he came to Asoro. He saw me. He said, vendor, come. I said, you should come to my house. I said, Daddy, I came now, but they did not allow me. He now gave me his card. Signed. Come to my house today, 10 a.m. on Sunday. I want to see you. I went there again. On getting there, the security man said, oh, this short guy, you don't come again? Oh, yeah, move. Okay, Charlie Boy is not around. Call him. And one thing about Charlie Boy is, if that call is not that important, he doesn't pick call anyhow. Send text message if you want to get him. I begin call, the man no pick. I'm sorry, I'm giving this expo, but it's fine. There's no pressure on the man anymore. Of course, he's an old man. So, yes, young man. Okay, Charlie Boy, 193 years for your obituary. You are made in Africa. Assembled in Imo State and coupled in Oguta. Very good. So, I saw no courage and I went there. Yvonne, the first daughter, was about to drive out. The gate was open. I forced my way in. I want to see him. He said I should come. Okay, in the process of arguing with the Mopo, Baba was looking at me from the upstairs. He now told the Mopo, leave him alone, he's my son, ask him to come. And another pathetic story. Part of the story was when I wanted to leave my house, because a lot of people had different impression about Charlie Boy in Abuja. They said, don't go. He's a diabolic man. He get coffee for a house. Daily trucks. City people. Daily dependent. Nigerian news. Don't carry and say Charlie Boy get coffee for your house. He will use you. Don't go. Then I call one of my brothers from my village. I say, come on. In case I'm going to the Punk Palace. His house in Abuja is called Punk Palace. I said, I'm going to the Punk Palace. Oh. In the next 3 hours, if you don't see me, don't hesitate to come to that place. I'm going to the man called Charlie Boy's house. Make una storm there. Oh. So, he accommodated me. I sat. He said, make I sit down. He said, Tunde, God said, make I help you. What do you want? I said, sir, I just graduated as an NC, then I intend to further my education. What I want is, I want to go to University of Abuja. As at that time, University of Abuja was a VIP university for anyone living around. He said, okay. You know, said the man used to behave like spirit sometimes too. If you are close to him very well. Charlie Boy, he did behave like spirit sometimes. He can't keep quiet for 20 minutes too. He said, I won't help you. God say, make I help you. What do you want? I said, sir, if you ask me 200 times, the answer is, I want to go to the university. He now said, okay. If I give you 1 million naira in this house today, in the next 30 minutes, I go forget. But you see this school that you want to go, I want to assure you, I will sponsor you.
Assure you. Assure you.
That was how a vendor from the Scottish sun, you know, the sun for Lagos and the east is different from Abuja, you know. Now you will pass through and go see now. You witness, huh? Do you know there is another fellowship in heaven? I know. When you pass through that sun, my brother, you go know say Jesus is not from Nigeria. I'm telling you. Now, the man can say, okay, go and bring your results. I brought everything. My admission was perfected, and to the glory of God, consistently, he was paying. From 100 level to 400 level, he paid. Sponsored my university education. Then when I finished, I went to him, Daddy, this is the result. I've been able to deliver. He was very happy. He said, well, we have sent you to school, we have trained you. What do you think you want to do next? Sir, I think on this education line, I have chosen this path. I am not energetic enough to become a bricklayer or whatever. I want to go to school. My master's is on my mind. He said, no, this is another good thing. You are just making me to be proud of you. That your master, you will do it. From there, the master's admission was perfected to the glory of God. Then I found my way in Napier University, Edinburgh, in Scotland. Courtesy of Charlie Boy Foundation.
Hey my people, una see life testimony. The man say they talk. Anyway, my people, and the updates will carry come for now like this be this. So about Charlie Boy this change this man life. Anyway, my people, make una drop on a comment and have this so story, and make una don't forget to like and share. And do well. See you all in our next video. DJ